Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen on this Magic Monday. Unfortunately, I do have to say there isn't a new recipe this week, which feels super weird to say. Over the last 3 years, this week is the 3-year anniversary of my Harry Potter kitchen. I've been bringing you brand new treats each and every Magic Monday. Unfortunately, I do need to take a short break from the kitchen just to help recharge my cauldron and make sure that all of the recipes I bring you are as magical as they can be. This isn't the end of my Harry Potter kitchen by any means. I will be back in the new year and we'll tackle part 2 of the Prisoner of Azkaban once I've had enough time to put all of those creative juices into the upcoming recipes. It's also been a pretty hectic past 2 years for everyone, so take some time for your mental health if you do need it. While I'm gone, if you have some foodie cravings, check out the links to the playlist from the Philosopher's Stone, Chamber of Secrets and part 1 of The Prisoner of Azkaban. And remember, all of the ad revenue from those videos will continue to go to trans and LGBTQ charities. Thank you to all of you individuals here and on Instagram. You can follow me at Brad Bakes for more updates. I super appreciate all of your support, and you really are helping us make the world a better place through this weird and wonderful foodie adventure. I really appreciate everything you all do. I hope you'll stick around because there's plenty more on the way. I will see you next year when there is a lot more mischief to be managed.